Okay, we just got done eating lunch. Now we are heading out further around the island. So I haven't really talked too much about my kayak, you guys. So this is the Pelican Angler 100. And there's a few videos online about it. Not too many. It's not very popular. But for what it is, it's a good kayak. The only thing that I don't like is these things rub up against your legs and it kind of makes it uncomfortable. But other than that, pretty comfortable. It's really stable. Yeah, not too bad.